Mr. Joshua's back. He got mine. I can't even explain how I feel right now. That is like, let me see. I'm not gonna lie though, that looks really good.
What's up, Brite Nation? And welcome to the great Smoky Mountain Jeep Division 2023.
Okay, so before we do anything else, first things first, I have got to say, this has got to be the biggest Jeep invasion we have ever been to. Look at this. The line to get in for the event just like wraps around the building. And this is only this side of the building's entrance. The other entrance is right here. Look at this. This is absolutely insane. Look at that. And then it wraps down to the left around the edge of the sidewalk, all the way down, all the way. Look at that. Look at that. That is absolutely insane.
That's pretty wild. People were talking about, today's Friday, yesterday. People
Thursday.
were talking about like 2.5 hours trying to get in. That's if you come early. And then I heard a lot of vendors, they all sold out of stuff on Thursday.
Which is insane.
So like they're done. They're out. They sold everything that they brought on Thursday.
Multiple vendors. All the product discounted stuff that they brought sold out. Look at this. Hold on. This is for the outside show. The outside line to get in. Look at this. This is insane. So we're lucky. We actually have vendor passes because we're taking the stepchild right now into the actual show itself to go park it at the MagnaFlow booth because we have a meet and greet both today on Friday and tomorrow on Saturday. We've got peanut butter and jelly with us. Chris is also with us as well. He's bringing the truck, so we have a way to leave later after the meet and greet. The whole crew is here ready to say hello to all of these people. What's up? Now, granted, not all of these people are in line to see us. However, we are predicting that even our line for the meet and greet is going to be pretty insane. We're super excited.
What's up, Brite Nation?
So remember at Jeep Beach, we met a couple kids and they're like, oh, we can't come, or we didn't have friends that came or whatever because they had school and, they didn't want to skip out on school. And we were like, school's for fools, right? What did you do?
I skipped the whole week.
She skipped the entire first week of school.
Her senior year.
Her senior year to come say hi to us specifically. No one cares about the event. But look what we're signing.
Brite Nation!
So occasionally people like us to sign their Jeeps. Most of the time it's really difficult to find us where you also have your Jeep with you and it's convenient to sign it. And so in those cases, people decide to just dismantle pieces of their Jeep and bring them to us, which is super convenient. Brite Nation! Okay, you guys, so we just got a request to start the stepchild and rev it up. Do you guys want to hear?
Yeah!
This is just the usual. Sit down to take a photo. This is I stopped for 2 seconds. Little love bugs. Hi.
Hello, guys.
Not being so good. And of course, my favorite man in all the world. You gotta respect the drip, though. And the boots. Just new boot scooting.
New boot scooting.
He's saying if we sign his arm, he'll go get it tattooed. Okay, I will sign your arm. I'm not going to tell you.
And I'll send a picture to you.
Oh my God, no. This makes me feel so. Do you want it to say just the signature? Or do you want it to say Lite Brite also?
You could do Lite Brite and then
the signature?
Really,
Okay. Now I'm like, God, what if my writing sucks? I feel like I'm shaking. This is fine. It's fine.
I told my dad I was going to impulse something, and this is what I'm going to impulse.
Oh my God. I feel like I'm shaking so much.
It's completely about the memories.
I don't even know. This could be like the best troll in the history of ever.
Me and my dad will go do it right now after the show. We'll run to the.
Do you only want my signature?
We have Kevin's too.
You're up.
I think it's better just like that.
We can keep it like that. That's
Just
fine.
keep it like that. It doesn't need to be me on there.
Hey, it's completely cool with me.
I'm just gonna be.
Okay, so now that we have officially wrapped up our meet and greet at MagnaFlow, we are going to come cool off
Inside.
in the air conditioning inside and show you guys a little bit of what's going on in the convention center. There are a ton of vendors here, including some of our favoriteest people in the whole wide world, like Justin with Factor 55 and more.
What's up, bro?
If you are new to the channel and you don't know who this guy is, remember this face.
Oh.
This is the face of adorableness, and also the only guy you ever want to go to for any of your recovery, off-road recovery need.
Thank you.
The only guy cuter than Peanut.
Well, Peanut's a girl, so. I just have to point this out. Look at what Chris is doing right now to his hat.
You gotta get the Cali flip.
The Cali, no.
Mad about the ears tucked?
Oh yeah, people.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, but put it the other
my
way.
ears.
Put it the other way. And so, because mine do the same thing when you do it the other way. Yeah, but look. It does that weird. Mine like do this. I have to tuck mine in too. But anyways, while I was showing his hat and versus
she tucked her
Pam
then.
has to roll her hat. She's like, I can't do flat brim.
Trucker.
Yeah, trucker style.
You gotta tuck the ears though. You gotta
Y'all
tuck
are
the ears.
y'all are the cutest cuties. So cute. I think it is official to say that we have completely pooped out the pups. They're done.
They didn't even do anything. They just laid around all day.
They're done. It's nap time for all the pups. We are stuck in traffic because there is a flock of geese. Is it a flock of geese? A gaggle of geese.
It's a
It's a
gaggle of
Gaggle of geese.
gooses.
Gooses crossing the street. Okay, so day 2 of signing autographs at the MagnaFlow booth, and you guys will not, or maybe you will believe. I don't know, but Mr. Joshua's back.
I'm back.
And let me see. Y'all, he got mine. I can't even explain how I feel right now. That is like, I'm not gonna lie though, that looks really good. Like that ain't half bad.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna do other YouTubers.
So it's gonna be like kind of a sleeve of
Yeah, I actually
like
think I'm
rad
gonna do
autographs and stuff. Okay, that makes me feel a little bit better because otherwise I'm getting like, I don't know, like anxiety from it. Dude, that's permanent.
Yeah, it's permanent.
Oh my God, you're like the coolest. That's
It's
so
permanent for
sick.
sure.
He goes, yeah, it's like fucking there. Kevin can't just get enough of showing off just how good the stepchild sounds. That is still just so insane, the difference between the valve being open and the valve being closed. Gnarly. building a bit. Oh my God, he's so happy though. Look at his face. Oh my God. So this is so cool. So Andrew here. What's up, Andrew?
What's up?
For 4 years now, he has brought us this t-shirt, 2020, 21, 22, and now 2023, where we've gotten to sign the shirt. And you can see how Kevin's signature has progressed or regressed, perhaps, throughout the process.
I
It changes.
Actually, I think I like that one looks better because that was my whole name, and then it was like my whole name still, but like I try to do fancier, and then I regressed to the K Williams, and now I'm just K blah blah blah.
Chris,
I don't know if I can
how do you twerk?
This is Chris twerking, guys. Now we see why he works next to you.
I'm a fabricator.
We've been following since the first Jeep video in 2018.
Yeah, the one that the Jeep,
Yeah.
that Jeep returned or took back from us.
He
Look what he brought me to sign. They make a pop. They make a pop version of a Lite Brite.
What's up, Lite Brite Nation?
That Jeep over there is getting a little squirrely.
What's up, Lite Brite Nation? They brought us gifts. Oh my God.
You open mine, I'll open yours.
No, you're doing yours.
Bottle of tequila.
Did you say what?
It's deodorant.
I can't
It
tell.
sucks.
Card games and a tie?
Brittany can use
Get the
hers.
hell out of here.
Some snap-on
He
gloves.
loves gloves.
I do love
By loves gloves, it means he
I don't like
loses
getting
them
my- I
all
don't like
the
getting my hands
time.
I got a pretty girl to caress and rub my hands through her hair. She won't let me touch her. My hands are dirty. That's perfect. For the truck. I've been wanting a phone holder for the truck
Oh, there you go.
forever.
Yes, yeah.
It's a snap-on phone holder.
I know.
Oh,
Yeah. New pair of Smiths.
I think it. I love how all of our subscribers know that I'm like a closet alcoholic.
Grand
And it's
Centenario.
Centenario.
And it's frozen. Take a shot.
Oh my
Maybe a lot of
God.
drink.
Nothing brings people together like good tequila.
Nice.
Yes.
You guys killed it. Listen, I could have got
We
it.
love y'all.
You're better gift givers than Kevin is.
Yeah, for sure.
We love y'all.
Thank you guys so much.
Appreciate it. That's super awesome.
Oh no.
It was frosted.
Tell you what, they have some funny looking water here in Tennessee. It's vibe. And that's really all we've got for the Great Smoky Mountain Jeep Invasion. Obviously for Pigeon Forge, Tennessee in general. If you haven't watched our prior video, our last video, go watch that too because there's so much to do in the area.
We've been here for 10 days. I'm ready to roll on. I like this place, but
I'm ready
get
to
going.
go somewhere where it's drier.
So here's the deal. Right now, we're driving like 27 hours or something to Southern Texas because Brittany's brother's getting married. Yay!
Hey! I haven't met my sister-in-law yet, so this will be the first time that I actually get to see her.
Except we get to drive 7 hours north first because we bought a new vehicle and it's 7 hours the wrong way. Yay! I've been waiting for a year and a half for this to come in.
Anyways, as always, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share where we can find all your Lite Brite Nation merch and decals at litebritstudios.com. As always, we love you, and we'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Mwah. On the clear part? Yeah. I mean,
My hair's getting long.